What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Amos. Today I'm not going to be showing you a new strategy, but I'm going to be showing you my P&L of the month of January as a 21-year-old day trader. So starting in January, you can see right here, my net P&L was 1,875. This app is called TradeZilla, which is a journaling app which is linked to your broker. So right here I have a net P&L of $1,875 USD. My trade percentage win is 64.29, which is really low for me compared to the previous months. So it was a pretty hard month, and a month that I broke even on some trades that should have been winners. So right here I have 9 winners this month, 2 break-evens, and 5 losers. 2 of those losers are slipped break-evens, which I still consider them as being a really small loss. So $5 loss, $10 loss, but in this statistic it should be around 4 break-evens and 3 losses rather than 5 losses. Then I have a profit factor of 2.01. To be completely honest with you, I really do not know what that means. Then I have a 70% day win, which means that 70% of the time I end the day positive, okay, which is really what is important in my opinion. Even if you take a loser in a day, you can still take another trade and be able to make that loss back and more. Right here you can see I have 10 trading days. 7 of those trading days were winners and 3 of those days were losers. My average win-loss is I win on average $416 and lose on average $373, which puts me at an average RR of 1.11, which is really good. Then right here on my Zelo score, 58.89. I really don't know what that means also, but you can see right here that my win rate is pretty consistent. I have basically my strategy is based on algorithmic deliveries and try to predict one-to-ones rather than trying to predict big moves and really swing and forecast the market. Now let's take a look at the journal, which is what everyone was looking forward to see. You can see my monthly stats: 1.88k net P&L, 10 total days traded. You can see there's a lot of days that I did not trade, and the reasoning for it is that I do not believe that every single day gives you a good opportunity. And for me, with my edge, I'm super patient, and I really look for specific things based on price action and time. So it's not rare that I will not trade in a day or not see any opportunities, but what I do in order to keep my mental straight is that I copy trade multiple accounts, which means that those days right here that you see 430, 250, 385, 445, 195 here are multiplied by 8, which means that I have prop firm accounts with multiple prop firms, and I try to go for base hits with multiple accounts. So then I don't really feel that FOMO of taking 1 trade per day and making my day worth my time. Okay, if I see 2 setups in a week and I copy trade that on 8 accounts, trust me, it's enough for you to make a decent living. Okay, so right here, as you can see, the 3 days, so January 1st, 2nd, and 3rd did not trade. Okay, so I was staring at the chart those days. I did not stare at the chart the 1st because it was a bank holiday, but yes, Thursday, 2nd, and Friday the 3rd, I was staring at the chart but did not take anything. Okay, reasoning for it, I don't believe that there is an opportunity every single day, and you need to be really specific with your system in order to be profitable in the long run. Okay, then right here I had 4 trades on Monday, which is not really usual, but we had really nice opportunities on that day. I remember a lot of opportunities for my edge, so I try to be a little bit more aggressive on that day, and it paid off. 430. Then 3 days without any trades. Yes, I was staring at the chart. Yes, I did not make any money. Does that hurt me? Not really, because my copy trading does the heavy lifting. Okay, right here then on Friday, this is what I want to talk about. I had one trade on the 10th, and what I saw that day was so beautiful that I decided to triple my size. Okay, and I do this when the setup is really clean, and it does not really happen. It happens pretty much once or twice a month, and those days are the days that make my month sometimes. Okay, most of the setups that I will take are B minus B setups, and I will just, you know, take those base hit trades, B minus trades, lose some, win some, and it will compound. And right when I see an A plus setup, this is where I swing the bat hard and I try to make that day count. Okay, I really try to make my month on those kind of days. So here I entered, I think, 2 cons, ended up making 1.03k on the day on all my accounts. Then right here made 250. On the 14th, I made 385. Did not trade on Wednesday. Then lost the 385. It's all good. You will have losers. No edge has 100% win rate. I am super comfortable with those losses, and I know that will happen next month, in 2 months, in 3 months. I will always lose at least 2-3 trades per month, and I'm super comfortable with that. If someone is telling you that he has 100% win rate, just run, because there's no way this is possible. Then on Friday, took 2 trades, 445. Ended up the week with 695 bucks. The second week of January, I ended up with 1.46k. Okay, so then I was up about 2.1k after 2 weeks. Then third week started, no trades on Monday, no trades on Tuesday, 2 break-even trades on Wednesday, but ended up being slipped a little bit, which counts as a loser right here. So minus $5, all good. We'll take it. We'll count it as a loser because my win rate is too high. So I mean, I do not really care. Then day after, 195, small base hit, B minus setup. You know, I keep taking those to stack those winning days. Then 24 did not take a trade. Ended up the week with 190 bucks. Yes, this might seem like it's nothing. 190 bucks. You should have worked a normal job, Amos. What is this? You're trading for pennies. But the thing is that you guys don't see is the heavy lifting behind the $190. You can multiply that $190 by 8 because I have 8 accounts that I copy trade at the same time. So right here, this is not really $190. It's a really poor week still, but weeks that are happening still in our price action and in some months, because not every single week is perfect and not every single week has plenty of opportunities to yield you a good return. So right here was most likely not my best week, of course, but I did not trade with fear, or I did not over leverage or oversize. Right here, it was just a week where there was not a lot of opportunities, and I ended up being finishing the week with a small amount. And I'm completely all right with this, and you should also, because making profits in trading is not, you cannot make profits in trading if you want money. You need to want to become a good trader and follow your plan, and then the money is just a byproduct. Right there, last month is where I fucked up, and unfortunately, right here, I lost 875 on one trade in the morning on all my accounts. Oh my god, this was a big loser, and I posted it, and yes, I traded it live and everyone saw my big loser. Yes, that hurts, but this trade is exactly the same as this one. You guys need to understand. I doubled or tripled my size on this trade. There was a lot of volume. To be honest, I really did not want to risk that much, but I was willing to risk twice the amount that I usually risk. So right here, minus 875, you can see right here plus $1,000. So yes, I gave back the profits on this, but you need to understand that an A plus setup for me has more chances of seeing success in the long run. The expected value of my A plus setup is way more than the B minus, B plus setups. So when I see those kind of trades, I am not trying to go light on those setups. I am trying to go heavy, and I'm trying to make a lot of profits on those setups because I have a lot of confidence, and my data shows me that when I size up on those setups, I end up being super profitable at the end of the month. So right here, it was an unfortunate case. I lost on my A plus setup. Can I really say that I made a mistake? When I look back at the trade that I took, I did not make a mistake. Of course, when you lose and you lost 900 bucks, 1,000 bucks on the day, you will be like, oh, I probably made a risk management mistake. But in reality, have you actually made a mistake if it was an A plus setup and you were ready? When you click the button, you were ready to lose that amount? And for me, it's always a debate, but right here, looking back at it at the end of the month, I don't really think it was a mistake. I think it was just I really swung the bat hard and tried to make a lot of profits on that day, but ended up not working out for me. Then 28, 29, 30, did not take a trade. There was a good opportunity on Tuesday, took it on another account, but not this one. Then right here, Friday, took 2 trades and ended up winning $405, which netted me on my week 5 minus 470 bucks. So I gave back some profits to the market, which is the reality in trading. You can lose money. It's not a job where you're sure that you're gonna make this amount of money. You're not paid based on the amount of time you spend on the chart, but you are paid based on the decision making. So your decisions basically that you're gonna make. And if you take good decisions, you're gonna get paid a lot. If you don't make good decisions, then you're gonna either learn or lose a lot. So this was my P&L for the month. You can see the trade time performance. I really do not hold my trades a long time. So right here, trade duration performance. Right here, you can see I hold my trades from seconds. So 30 seconds. Most of my trades, I hold them for like 60 seconds, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and the biggest trade that I ever took was 9 minutes and 23 seconds. I'm a really fast-paced scalper, and I'm not trying to swing my trade or forecast the market. I'm really trying to get in and out of the market super quick. Okay, so this was the trades that I took this month. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and seeing how transparent I am with my statistics. Of course, this may seem like a small amount of money, but guys, do not think that you need to be able to make 3K per day, 4K per day in order to be profitable in this market. Aim for small days, aim for base hits, then compound with what prop firm is giving you. Okay? There's a lot of prop firms that are giving you the access to 5 accounts, 3 accounts, 20 accounts, and what you can do is learn the skill, build such a good system that you will be able to make at least $200, $300 per day with your system. And once you have this locked in, then the copy trading is going to do the heavy lifting. You're going to basically risk 200, but at the end of the day, if you win on, let's say, 5 accounts, you just made $1,000, but no one can see that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For the people who want to use this software, it's called TradeZilla, and you can use the code AMAS20 for 20% off. Also, if you want to be copy trading like me and use multiple accounts, behind this journal right here, you can use the Tradeify prop firm with code AMAS again, so AMAS, for the biggest discount that is currently available. There's also the link to my Discord if you want to learn technicals or just trade like me, learn how to scalp base hits. And hope you guys enjoyed this. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.